guys, today we are doing another candy car wash, so let's get started. Or if you prefer, sweet car wash. It's like sweet baby girl, but sweet car wash. Yummy! So I'm gonna go with the red because I was a bit tempted with the yellow, but nah, I'm going for red. It's meant to be a fire engine. It's the colour of fire. I'm sorry if you can hear the pigs. I guess it's Henry chewing. Probably chewing. So, let's just get this car, fire engine cleaned. And then I can go sort out little Henry. So, now we've done that, we can do the wheels. The really good wheels. So, now we've done the wheels, we can go on for soap. Soapy soap, 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 soap. Yummy! Soap. Doop 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 doop. Chief fire engine. We have got our car nice and cleaned. Let's get right into it. So now that's gone through, we have now got, they're now going to do the overwash, then the underwash, and then the hair dry and then the sparkly, and then we can take it home. Now we can do the underwash. If you don't know what the underwash is, it doesn't normally come in, it comes in some when you clean the self-car washes, but when they go from under to clean the bottom of where the wheels are. Get it? So, super-tastic! Super lots of food for kids. It's sweet, it's sour, let's go. So that's just the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and bye guys!